Today I'm trying out some new techniques. This one, I have no idea what to call it, and it's kind of weird because as you go around, you hit a point where in this case, the 53 gear, that is my one with the pen in it, will get to a spot where it wants to roll, and I can roll it, straight outwards from the center like you see here. Or if I apply less sort of pressure away from the center, if I do it very gently, I can get a smoother slope. And the size of the drop here obviously is related to the size of the gear. So if I just swap this up and put in a smaller gear and get a different pen color, you'll see that we get different size sort of sawtooth pattern. This one's not as tall. So I think this might be an interesting technique, but it's not precise in the same way that other ones are. So I don't know whose heart this will ignite, but maybe someone will find joy in it. Anyway, thanks for watching this little experiment.